Susie's videos, and I have my birds are back, and today I'm feeding them. They followed me out back. They were out front the other day, and now they're out back where we belong. Yeah, my baby.
Next to their home pond, they live over there, and there. And they come back, and if you don't know who I am James from the James Life. And go check out my channel. It will be in the description below. And guys, comment down below what you want us, me, and my grandmother, if you didn't know, to call them.
We want
like
to name
names.
Them. Yeah.
Like
want you to help us name them. The father, the mother, and the baby.
So we have the baby right over there, and we have, I think, the mother. No, that's the mother, and then that's the father.
No, this is the mother. That's
Mother.
the father.
Okay.
Anyway, mommy.
So,
baby.
like names, like
yeah. What would be good names? Comment below and let me know what you think, so I can call them by names.
I think the baby is a boy.
We think.
I think.
Not sure.
I'm pretty sure because it's orange, it's a boy, and like reds are girls. No, because the dad's red.
Yeah. But they have different crowns in their face.
I just want to go pet one. Oh my God, he's right here. He's like right here. Oh my gosh, I'm not even zooming in. All right, there I am. See, look, he's right there. The camera's right before. Oh, he's blacked out. The dad's way over there. Here, I'm gonna feed him now, guys.
Oh, there goes a white one.
There's a white bird over there.
Yeah, see it?
Okay, so we have this piece of food. It's bread. And we're going to throw it over there. Oh, that was a bad throw. Oh, mom's going to get it. I don't think the dad's hungry today.
Oh, there's another one of the baby's feathers. She's getting new feathers.
The baby is getting new feathers. He just lost some, like, fuzz over here.
Yep.
And a feather. And we have a big, giant feather right here. Bad hair day, huh?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay. Well, comment below on names for Mama, Papa, and Baby. And give us a shout. And
Comment
below for me.
And this is like bread that's like whole wheat.
Yeah, they like it.
Yep. So if you guys have birds like this or any kind of birds, what's really good is to feed them like bread or like you gotta like give them a little piece and make sure they like it, or like Google on stuff.
Yeah, and what they eat, we don't know. I think it's bugs.
Because I saw them. I saw them going into the over there. And then I saw them like going right there on the hill, and then like drinking right there. And then and they were going in that little bush right there. So I think they like fish and worms probably. So
well, thank you for joining us on a beautiful day today on Susie's videos, and hope to hear your comments soon. Bye.